Welcome to my little country kitchen. We are making my favorite chicken spice.
Too salty. Even my husband said so, because he's a big wuss. Oops.
I will show you the recipe all together at the end.
2 more garlic.
And our favorite way to eat it.
Paprika. A lot of onion powder. I need to make more pepper. Maybe one more. And one more sugar. Okay. Okay, we're finishing off this chicken spice thing, and all we needed was the annatto. I finally got the annatto seeds in the mail. Now I grinded them up in my spice blender, which is just a coffee grinder. I'm gonna start with, I say at least 2 tablespoons. And let's see, we'll shake that up and taste it.
Just taste it.
See? Taste that. It's really salty.
Well, duh.
But yeah, it tastes really good. Taste it. Done.
That's yummy.
That was really awesome. That spice did the trick. It was perfect. Okay, you're all done. That's how you make your own chicken spice rub. And here is the recipe. 1/4 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of paprika. I use smoked. 1/4 cup of onion powder, 3 tablespoons of ground pepper, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ground annatto. Annatto seeds. Okay, now I know. Cool. Testing out my new chicken rub that I made. Put it on that side of the chicken. You're gonna flip it. Oh, it's still. It's not ready. Or you didn't season that side.
Well, I didn't season this side. I haven't seasoned any side.
Ooh, that looks flavorful. You gonna put more on that side or no?
Just a little bit.
Give this a taste, see if it's any good. Looks delicious. Look how pretty that is. It's that color because of the annatto and the paprika. Now that we know what's in that spice, we can definitely make it ourselves, so let's give it a taste. Okay, taste.
That's really yummy.
I need to taste. Just run away.
Yeah, I'm gonna run away.
Oh. Look, I have 3 hands. Looks yummy. was really good flavor.
Oh yeah.
Good job. The rub is a success. That homemade rub. Okay. Thank you. See you next week. Bye.